I'm Mandy Tanner, and today we're going to talk about room temperature versus chilled ingredients when baking. So when you make whipped cream, you definitely want your cream to be really chilled. It'll help you incorporate more air. The opposite is true for making meringue. Your egg whites should be room temperature to incorporate the most air. When you bake cookies and cakes, it's really important to make sure that your eggs, milk, and butter are room temperature. They'll incorporate so much easier in your recipes. The opposite is true for pie. When you make a pie crust, you want your fat, like butter, to be super cold. That way the fat will stay solid when you're mixing it with the flour, and it'll cause those flaky layers in your pie crust. How to test for room temperature butter: you can obviously stick your finger in it. You want it to be finger soft, or you can use a knife and just scrape a little bit, and it should come across easily on the knife. I hope these tips have helped you out today.